My dear scholars, we have been talking about and learning those new ideas which are emerging in management discipline, may it be marketing management, financial management, operation management, quality management, HR management. And of course, according to the paradigm in which the firms are present and doing their production, they would like to see the relevancy. But since the age of industrialization, economics has been guiding the business. So naturally, many theories in business are coming from the economic view of the firm. Now, would you say that there is a non-economic view? No. Always economics is there. But the question is, are you going to take the whole cake only for yourself? Or are you going to share this cake with your shareholders, with your customers, with your suppliers, with your strategic partners? That's a question which you have to address. And when you like to address that question, you go some other areas beyond economics. So let's look then on economic theories which are applicable in the business firms and try to find out what arguments are presented by economists who would like to consider a business firm from purely economic viewpoint. I only need dollar, by hook or by crook. How am I going to do it? Well, maybe I'll use monopoly theory. Maybe I'll play a game theory. Maybe I'll become an agent. एजेंट किसका? एजेंट कंपनी का हो तो बड़ी अच्छी बात है, लेकिन नहीं. We will see in agency theory that agent could be the agent of anybody. इसलिए कि जो है ही एजेंट, जिसका नाम ही एजेंट है, उसको तो जो ज्यादा पैसे देगा, इकोनॉमिक थ्योरी है ना, तो जो ज्यादा पैसे देगा वो कभी रूस का एजेंट हो जाएगा, कभी अमेरिका का एजेंट हो जाएगा, कभी इंग्लैंड का एजेंट होगा. पता नहीं वो अपना एजेंट भी कभी हो सकेगा कि नहीं, अपनी कंपनी का एजेंट, अपनी कंट्री का एजेंट, अपनी सोसाइटी का एजेंट, अपनी फैमिली. अरे भाई, अपना एजेंट भी वो कभी हो सकेगा या नहीं? बिकॉज to me, myself is also important. But anyhow, economics says that you must look at the market phenomena and you must look at within the firm phenomena. And in the neoclassical economics, classical, starting from Adam Smith, although Adam Smith was also talking about giving value, adding value to the product. But then with the passage of time and capitalistic economy came along, Adam Smith was Scottish. His ideas were very good, but they were transformed when there was industrial revolution and neoclassical economic states that firm exist to make money and to maximize profit. कस्टमर्स के साथ क्या होता है, सोसाइटीज के साथ क्या होता है, कंट्रीज के साथ क्या होता है, आई डोंट केयर. इट्स माई फर्म. Neoclassical viewpoint is that it is all morally correct, legally okay if you maximize your profit and forget about the others. आप अपना मुनाफा कमाइए, दूसरों की फसलों को, दूसरों के घरों को, दूसरों की सेहत को, दूसरों के क्या इश्यूज होते हैं, it is none of your business. That's viewpoint. And many companies still have that viewpoint कि हमने पैसे लगाए हैं पैसे बनाने के लिए. There is no morality, economic viewpoint There is no morality in business. Firms exist as an alternative system to the market price mechanism and transaction cost theory based on economics. That you try to manage the price structure and the demands of the market and you maximize your profit. It holds that the overall purpose of the firm is to create a gap between the revenue and the cost. That's why the profit should go up. Theory then will govern the decision making of the managers. How would you allocate the resources to maximize the profit? What kind of production techniques you will use that you will have a mass production? So the unit cost should go down and the profit should go up. Pricing adjustments. When there is a scarcity in the market, raise the price. Remember that demand curve of economics is perfectly okay. Now, you create this demand artificially, it's okay. By using cartel, by using mafia, whatever mechanism. According to economics, it's okay. Firm's goal is to determine pricing and demand within the market and allocate the resources to maximize the net profit. मार्केट में क्या होता है दूसरे प्लेयर्स के साथ? देखिए ना, आपने होर्डिंग कर ली, पूरी मार्केट की चीनी ब्लॉक कर दिया आपने. अब चीनी का नाम मैंने लिया, ये शुगर कार्टेल है. पाकिस्तान की शुगर इंडस्ट्री में मुख्तलिफ पार्टी के लोग जिनकी शुगर इंडस्ट्री है इस बात पे इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं कि हाँ, प्राइस शुड गो अप. सो लेट्स गेट टुगेदर, लेट्स हैव अ कार्टेल. कस्टमर और कंज्यूमर के साथ क्या होता है? वी डोंट केयर, वी हैव टू मैक्सिमाइज द नेट प्रॉफिट. दिस इज इकोनॉमिक व्यू ऑफ द फर्म.